Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to restore deleted apps on your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll cover two different ways you can go and do this. So let's say here we have YouTube. I'll go and hold my finger on it. I'll press on Remove App. Let's say you clicked on Remove from Home Screen. As you can see, it's now disappeared. So to go and restore it, all you need to do is keep swiping across until you get to the app library. You can then click on the search at the top and type in YouTube, just like so. And there it is. Then to add it back to your home screen, all you need to do is place your finger on it and then move it. As you can see, we're going to get this green plus icon, and we have the app again. You can choose where you want it to be, so I'll go and put it back on the first page, just like so. And there it is. Now, if you went and completely deleted it, so you held your finger on it, then clicked on Remove App, and you clicked on Delete App. To go and get it again, open up the App Store and click on Search in the bottom right. Then you can go and search for YouTube, just like so. And then what you can do is go re-download it if you'd gone and deleted it. So that's basically how you can restore deleted apps on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.